Ibinahagi ni megastar Sharon Cuneta na siya ay tumungo ng Singapore para sumailalim sa isang medical procedure. Sa kanyang Instagram post noong ika-12 ng Marso, inihayag ni Sharon na nasa ospital siya sa nasabing bansa dahil sa kanyang spine. Aniya, "You might have heard that I was in Singapore. I wish I went there to blog. But actually, it was for medical reasons." Kwento niya, "My spine. Remember how I'd been under pain management for about 2 years for my right hip and leg? Well, I wish I could have gone to see my doctor in Singapore sooner. I had a procedure. And I do feel better, but I am still recovering." Babalik aniya siya ulit sa Singapore para sa mga medical test para naman sa kinakailangang pagsasaayos sa bahagi ng kanyang leeg. "I also need to go back there in a couple of months because all the tests revealed that I also have stuff in my neck I need fixed." Payo naman ni Sharon sa publiko at Sharon Ians, "Don't stress about it. What's important is that I am okay, the pain has been dealt with and we got to the root of the problems." Matatanda ang isiniwalat ni Sharon sa publiko noong 2024 na siya ay na-diagnose ng osteoarthritis at humarap din siya sa hip pain na aniya, resulta ng hereditary factors.